Do you need Ellen DeGeneres tea sets? Silver Star Crystal and Silver has helped thousands find the perfect tea sets. Family owned since 2008, our store has a broad assortment of anniversary and wedding crystal and silver gifts to choose from. We have stunning silver and crystal home decor and tableware that will add class anywhere. From barware and tabletop utensils to crystal wine glasses, we have something everyone will love, especially our Ellen DeGeneres tea sets, coffee mugs, cereal bowls, and dessert plates, designed by no other than Ellen herself for Royal Doulton. We work hard to make your experience with us a memorable and pleasant one. Your friends and family will marvel at the aesthetic appeal of your collection, and even when not in use, our china and silver tableware adds a decorative element to your home. To place your order for crystal wine glasses or Ellen DeGeneres tea sets, cups, and dinnerware, please contact us at silverstarcorp.com or call 888-819-1009.